Hi all, I'm Guru here. Guys, just another tip I wanted to give you, tips I wanted to give you for the freshers who are facing an interview. Guys, this is only for the freshers who learned the testing. What is severity and priority? Think. Severity and priority. Severity in the sense, the defect which we got while executing the test cases, how severely it is impacting the end user, guys. If it is impacting very severely, then the severity of the level is very high. They have to fix it. Priority in the sense how much time we are going to give to the developer to fix such kind of defect. That is a priority. High severity and high priority in the sense that the defect which we are raising, it is very hugely impacting the end user. So such kind of defects we call it as a high severe, and we wanted to fix it as early as possible. We call it as a high priority defect. Guys, this is the best tip. Go through it. Subscribe in my channel. I will give you more tips for you people. Thank you. Thanks a lot.